Once a famous personality said, "To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles." On this quote, let us start an interesting trek to another interesting place in our bucket list, which is Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Hello guys, welcome you all to another interesting episode of Xtreme Xplorer. In this video, we will be covering much awaited place from our bucket list, which is Dudhsagar Waterfalls. This trip is being organized by one of my dearly friend called Samar, who also runs a company called Sahas in You. They usually organize best trips at pocket-friendly prices for students and working professionals. This trip was organized for just 2,400 Indian rupees, which covers two-way train journey, 3 times food, guide and permit, and also the stay, which is a reasonable price for 2 nights and 3 days. They are also planning for another batch to Dudhsagar in September. If anyone is willing to, can get in touch with them through Insta. I will be providing their link below in the description. Friday afternoon at 3 p.m. was our train scheduled from Yashwanthpur, which reached at Kullem Railway Station at late night 2:30 am. Pickup facility was arranged from railway station to the stay, and next day morning the same vehicle dropped us at Udupi Veg Restaurant, which is at the entrance of Dudhsagar trekking point. In India, there are many waterfalls which are on very high mountains. Dudhsagar is considered one among them. It is also said as one of the tallest waterfalls of India. This place has become very popular after the shooting of a film called Chennai Express. Actually, there are 2 options to visit Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Both options are good, but you will get different unique experiences in both of them. First option is you must deboard at Castle Rock Railway Station and walk around 16 kilometers on railway track and witness a waterfalls from railway bridge. Second option is you will be walking amidst the dense forests and reach the waterfalls by taking proper permit from concerned authorities. If you are going like that, you must go through Bhagwan Mahaveer Wildlife Sanctuary. There are many guides who will help you out to reach there through the forest. If you are going on off season, it is best to go through guide. If you are going on season, you will get tickets from the entry point itself. 700 rupees is the jeep fare per head and 40 rupees is the rent of life jacket, which is compulsory for everyone.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
There are many paths in the forest to reach out the waterfalls. But the way our guide took us was very interesting. We came across water crossings and bridges in the forest, which made our trip.
Let's all take a ride.
We have Mr. Shaukat Ali, who is a registered tour guide of Dudhsagar. I will be sharing his contact details in the description. You can get in touch with him for both jeep and the trekking guide. They charge a nominal fee if you are coming on group. This was a different experience. I strongly suggest you guys to go here with your friends and family members. Only thing you must keep in mind is there is a long way to walk. If you guys are comfortable to walk around 12 to 13 kilometers one way, then you must go for it. Finally, we reached the entry gate of Dudhsagar Waterfalls, which took us almost around 3 hours of walk. And again 1 kilometer of walk is left, which takes us down to the waterfalls. Guys, this was really a different experience. Whenever you have a good company along with you, you must go here.
Guys, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well, as it will be a real-time view of our travel. And also make sure you like the video if you like it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.